Hello and welcome to this video where we will be making a task manager in C++ imgui. Well, I'm using this SFML imgui library. So I've got the basic code here and let's carry on. So I just opened Paint a minute to just like design how I want it to look. So let's see. I'll expand this. Okay, so this will be the window here, and I kind of want there to be an add button, delete. We could do. So we could just have a set file, and we can do add and delete, and then show. Add, delete, show. Add, del, show. Okay, so that's that, and then we have the window like that, and then if we go into add, we can we enter like month, day, year, like that, and then delete. We can have, so we need title, delete, and then so we just enter. Let me just use the text box. Enter title, and then show. We're just gonna, I reckon we can just do it in a list of text. Just these lines represent it. Okay, so that's the basic structure. So let's get started. Let's first do the add, delete, and show function. So if I'm doing button add, and how do you change its position again? How to change that imgui button's position? No, I'm gonna go to the documentation of imgui. Should be good. imgui button. What arguments can be passed to the imgui button? Callback. It's not bad actually. The guide to imgui buttons. We'll do this. Let's be honest. Okay, so size, okay. So it was done. imgui set cursor was on Vic 2. So it's 1000 on the x-axis, 800 at the top. So I'll say one bit padding at the top. So maybe 200, then 300. No. How long do we interview? Let me say. So we want it quite wide, so it's going to be. Let me say 200 on the X. Maybe 50 on the Y. No. So now I've got to start this. So it's going to be. We can try 100. So I'm back. We'll set it as. So I want it top left. So middle would be 500. So 600. No, I want it 400. And then Y would be in the top, so I'm going to say 700. Now let's run it and see how this looks. Okay. The thing I like about imgui is there's like very little border that goes like it's all green to the point rather. It's just there's not much documentation for it. For instance, like you've got to set the frame rate as a flipping ridiculously high number because otherwise the input text box doesn't work. This seems to be running very slowly. I don't know why it's all the way down there. imgui. Oh, okay. I forgot because Y doesn't hit 100. Oh yeah, because okay. Let's see if this works now. What's this running? I'll do the next one. Delete. So should be the same X position, but 300 there, say. Everything's so slow. Yeah, it seems quite good. Let me just make the y-axis a bit longer. No, I mean x-axis. Then last one. I'm gonna add a comment here. Should show emoji cross for late. Tick for done. And orange or in the process. Okay, so I reckon we should do a bit more spaced out in this. So 400, then 700. We could do 450, 800. And we could try this. So what I was thinking is, on this we have maybe also a button here that's like done. Okay. It's very, very slow. I don't know what is on. I'm running OBS, but I'm in pain, that's not much. I'm running 1 or 2 web pages. Okay, I'm just gonna start writing code. Let's see. Oh shoot. I thought it was. Oh. So. 300. 500. Wait, what's the damage? 800. So a bit of space there. Yeah, so I suppose we can do 350. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it at that for a minute. So now we can do add. Wait, first of all, I'm gonna just make an object called struct task. And we're gonna have a constructor, which is going to take stood chrono date. Is there such thing? I know there's system. Should we accept as a? That'll be easy, so we can just like. I'm gonna delete a few of these pages. Oops. Okay. Stood chrono. Yeah, because this will be easy to like in the when you're outputting it. It'll be easy to like show what's the most prominent thing you need to go on with. Time point. Yeah, I know time point. I want like a date. Okay, so now I'll put some date and time using stood chrono. I might just have it as a stood time point. So we can. Oh, okay. So we can say how much we want it in advance. Just gonna have a comment here. When deciding a task, choose how many days in the future you want it. Okay. So we're gonna have a task and we're gonna accept a stood chrono time point. So we can do chrono stood chrono time point t. And wait, I'm just gonna mute my mic for a bit. Wait a minute. Okay, so we're going to accept a stood chrono time point T, we're also going to accept the synchronized system block time point T. We're also going to accept string title. String. Is that all we need? Maybe string description. That should be it. And we can do. I'm just gonna make them first. The std system block time point. It's very long. We did due date equals. Can you default initialize it? I don't know. Std string title. I'm gonna do underscore title. Oh, okay. I'm gonna underscore just for this beautiful names. Scope. Std string description. So we're going to do underscore due date with T. Is it comma? I think it is. Underscore title. Title and description. So what's wrong with this? They're non-static. Oh, fine. I'm just going to have to assign them. I actually never use this construction method anyway, but okay. So due date equals T, title equals title, and description equals description. There we go. I'm not sure what is wrong with this. Okay, so there we got the task. I'm just going to also include vector because we want vector. I'm also going to add a file called tasks.txt. Tasks.txt. Going to add that. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have when it begins. So I'm going to do here we read from a file into the vector tasks. I'm just going to make the vector at the top, so std vector of tasks. We initialize it with nothing at the minute, so then we need fstream. So std I'm just going to copy it from a stack of referees. It'll be std fstream and pass in how to read. What is this coming up? How to read from file C++. This thing. If ChatGPT can take it, it might as well. If string I'm going to do tasks. I'm passing tasks.txt. While do get line. Thanks. I can't remember which you pass in first for get line. I'm going to say tasks line. I might as well put this in a function. Yeah, it's probably the other way around. I'm just gonna do this. Task file. Okay, so I'm just gonna, let's see, get line by line. Input file, then line. That's what I did though, didn't I? Task file line. Okay, so still get line. Oh my gosh. Input file. Yeah, that's what I've done. Yeah, don't see a difference. Oh, it's a function. Ah, goodness. Okay, so then we do. I'm just gonna put this in the function. Just a minute. So we need tasks equals deserialize? No, make read file. I'm gonna do file to that. And pass in tasks.txt. So we do auto file to vec, and then we're going to pass in the stud screen file name. Just copy paste that. Oh, I copied that. No. No. God's sake, it is. There we go. So we do tasks equals file to vec. Task.txt, and then we're going to do auto file to vec. I'm gonna pass in this file name, just string file name. No, I can embrace it. Okay, and so this is file name. What's wrong with this? Nothing, that's what I thought. return the stood vector. So we're going to separate each one, let's say, by, so we're going to do, first is the time point, so we're going to do oh, it's going to be hard to see it on. We're just going to do date, month, year, title, description, so if stood find line, I never remember which way the items go. And of course, just to overload. I'm just going to put line. Can we do substring using iterators? God's sake. I'm just going to quickly write my little auto find dead string line. No. So we need to find, so go for I equals 0, I is less. Oh, we get, no, let's do 1. I is less than stood size plus plus. The reason we're doing 1 is because we want to find 2 characters. Equals, I used to do -1 plus to find size. Then it makes it generic. What? How's it got no member size? Of course it does. Dot. Yeah, look, I used it there, it's fine. Just find my size. Yeah, exactly. It's fine. How did I expect another brace? Look, one brace, one. Yeah. Sometimes I don't know what the C++ components are about. So we find, so if stir.substir I -1 to I, if it's equal to find, we're going to return the index that was at I -1. Otherwise we're going to return -1. Yeah, that's it. So if find next, otherwise we're going to index first or equals find in line is not equal to -1, then we carry on. Because otherwise it's not enough. Good file format. So then we do string date equals line dot subscript. We do 0 to the index. No. Do we? Would it be index -1? Yeah, index -1 to index first or -1. So there'll be a space. So now we might have to reconsider how we're going to store it. Stood for, I'm going to look at cpp reference stood. Date and time utilities. Everyone loves cpp reference. File. Don't know what that is, but a point in time. I assume you can do. If we can just I suppose we can just do seconds. The chrono date. Day. Let's see. Duration. No, that's not the one. It's the chrono day. So day could be used. I'm gonna ask children to give me an example usage. What's the day? No, it's the chrono day. Oh, we got one here. What? 15. I'm going to look at the time point, see if you can, if there's any members. I suppose you can do. You can convert it to days. You can. We could do at the top of the file. We have like the last time point. First of all, We can just have it in days then instead. No date. Oops. Wait a minute. I'm just going to turn my mic off for a minute. Okay, I'm back. So, let's carry on. So, we can just have his days. So, int day count equals the story date. So, day count. Days. This is actually like how specific are we going to go? Time point key equals we can come back to this later. The important thing we need to do now then is just have the actual functionality of like the to-dos and stuff. No, day. Is it day or days? What's the difference? And can you initialize day count? Let's do it like that. Okay, so that's the first one. Then I'm going to do if no index index second or equals find line. No, it's going to be substring from the last index first, or to line.size. Then we're going to pass in this thing again. And so if index is not equal to -1, we can do, so this is going to be the title, so string title equals line.substring the index of the first order, so it'll be +1, +2, +3. Index first or plus. So what would be the second or? No, they're like first or with the second like pipe, then the space 2, and then the actual thing 3, and then we do the index second or. So title, yes, we've got title, and now we can do index third or. It's not equal to. No, what am I doing? For equals find line.substring. Oh no. Index first or +1. To make sure. So +1. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, +3. Let's find line.substring index second or +3 to line.size. And we're going to pass in the or again. If index third is not equal to -1, this is being very deeply nested. Index third or. If this is not equal to -1, what we can do is just have the string description. Yeah, so what I was thinking about with the date thing, we have the time point in the top, but then I realized it's going to be so hard to serialize it because there's going to be like days, months, weeks, and all that. I'll look at the structure just in a minute. Line dot substring index second or +3 to line dot size. Then to string. There's no third, or is there? What am I doing? No, okay. Because there's only 2. We just do it from description equals to line.size. Oh, I missed that. Actually, it doesn't matter. Okay, that should be good. So then finally what we would do is we change the vector. So we do std vector tasks. This means that if just one of them fails, the task won't be pushed back, which is what we want. Let's push back task. T title description. At the end, we're going to return. There we go. So that's that function. Now we'll test it down a bit. Okay, so that's that. Don't watch it blue here, but okay. So add what we're going to do is going to open a new window. So I'm going to do imgui set, add window. Bold on the top. Equals false. We can also do the bold delete window equals false and the bold show window equals false. Why is this all blue? Okay, there we go. Add window delete. Show window is true. So now we're going to need to make them a separate one. So we can do if delete window if show. Oh no. I didn't end up what did I do it? Add window if show window. Okay, so we'll first do add window. So we're going to do imgui set first so pause, and we're going to do 0 0 if it's 1 0 that. I wonder if we do implicit conversion into imgui on vec. So then we can do imgui again. Add. I also got to remember to imgui end. So what I was thinking, what did I put? So I'm going to do input text. imgui input text. Let's see, Stack Overflow. Quite dark, isn't it? I might stop the video at like an hour and then I'll post it and then like I'll delete that video from my computer. I won't delete it from YouTube, but I'll just so I can conserve space. See. What's that? It's not making it very clear, to be honest. Can wait, so then we can do go into the Python, whatever it's called. Okay. No, we don't want that one. We want the this one. Okay. What we want to do is just input some text. So what box spaces. Okay, let's see. Everything's so slow. I'm just gonna have to try now. So we will undo input text. Input text. So we pass in the label. So enter. I'm just gonna do imgui text. Enter date. Imgui. Same line. So then after that we can just do input the text. I'm going to pass in that. Just want to see the arguments again. Buffer size. No. Child buff. Okay. So we're going to do. I'm just going to go like that. Actually, no. They'll probably do some. Buff. 4. I'll probably declare it up here because child buff. Can you just default initialize? Looks like it. So if we read into buff, enter date. Oh, so doing no, it'll be stick chrono. Date. Date. Status. Oh, that's the thing. It's into a C array. Swing to an arrow. I wonder if it can implicitly convert. Auto time equals that. And we can do pretty much the same thing, except for the title. We don't need to convert it to a date. We can use the buff again, but we've already used what we want out of it. Oh no, because if it's longer, the date. What can we do? Buff. It's not const, is it though? The expression must be a modified L value. Is it L value, isn't it? No, it's not a reference. If I do, no, you can't delete it, can you? Buff equals I'm going to just do a for I don't know how else to do this. It's a good blend of L value references. I'm expressing 4 bus and then buffer on equals short. So imgui line buff the title equals string buff. Description. We're also going to need to actually no, we can do it at the end. We can just do tasks. Push. Task. Just gonna see how long we've left. We'll push back that. Remember at end to put all the contents of the vector tasks back into file. Goes below. So for the delete, what we're going to do imgui text, enter the title of the task that you want to do. I'm just going to remember one of these just below it. Input text, and then pass in just that buff. You can pass in from 4. So then we can do, we have to include the algorithm. Split arrays if So we'll pass in tasks. T dot title, no, T dot M title is equal to looks like it's happy. So that's that. And the show window. Okay. I wonder if you could just set a for loop. I'm thinking this. You do for auto and task in tasks. So for every task in tasks, we're going to do so. Look for a time point. Yeah, so how are we gonna ask ChatGPT how to convert stood time point to a string. Oh, okay, that's actually easy. Sys days. Then we can do to be honest, I might just do that. I'll quickly refactor the code at the top. So it would be stood chrono as well as days. So it's month and then day. Year, month, day. Equals line dot substring zero to find, what was it? Find line space -1 day index Find it substring. Oh. Okay, I may have to wait, no, not a minute. Index int. I know, this will be the index. Line +1 to find line dot substring. So we need to oh, what is this? This is so deeply nested. So you need to go from the first one to the second one. Find the substring from the so that's 1, 2, 1, 2. Too many arguments in function call. Let's go substring. Is there too many arguments? Oh yeah, so there is. Wait, just I can't see there being too many arguments. Because we're passing in and a substring. That goes to there, there's another argument there. Substring.